welcome. In today's video tutorial guide, I'll be showing you the best way you can remove background from images, how you can turn your pictures to PNG format. So today's video tutorial guide is for you if you are a graphic designer, you are a photographer, and you deal with pictures or image or whatever. So today you'll be learning the best way you can remove background from image without losing the quality, and in today's I'll be showing you this free guide, free tools or free app you can begin to use even right on your smartphone to remove background from image. So if you are new to this channel, a big welcome, and make sure you please subscribe to this channel and like this video, because you will be getting a lot, I mean a lot of valuable content from our channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, a big welcome. So kindly like this video and now click on the notification bell to get more updates from our channel. So now let's get right into today's video tutorial guide, and the free tool we'll be using and the free app we'll be using in doing this amazing removing background without losing quality from our picture is called Photoroom over here. So this is Photoroom. So just go over to your Play Store, your App Store, and whatever thing you can use to download apps. Just go over there and search for Photoroom. It's spelled, as you can see over here, Photoroom. So just go over there and search for it, and you will get something like this. So when you have it installed, you have done the necessary. So I'll just launch the app right from here over here. So as I'm launching the app over here, we'll just wait for a few seconds for it to load so we can get and begin to work with our app. So this is it over here, and there's no need for me to update. So this is the app over here. So when you get to this app, this is the home page of the app. So to work with and to remove background from an image, you need to please select an image from your gallery, and to do that you need to click on this start from photo. So when you create to your gallery, so if you have the picture you want to remove the background on your recent, you can easily pick it over here. But if you need to go to your gallery and go to folder, so just click on this gallery and it will take you to your image folder. So I'll just launch with this my gallery. So it take me to my image folder, and I'll go select the image, the background, one of the image I'll use. So let me just look for one picture I want to remove the background. So let me go over here. I think I should have something over here. And so okay, let's select this picture over here for demo. So I'll select this picture over here, and when I select it, it's going to do some stuff. So we just wait for a few minutes and a few seconds actually for it to do its stuff. And when it is the results, so let's wait for a few seconds for it to do that, and it's removing the background and see, can you see what we have over here? So we are not done. So you need to select, let me wait for you to load this 3 interface. You need to select this transparent over here for you to have a PNG. It's going to have a white background. If you select this black one, it's going to have a black background, but you need to select this transparent one over here. Click on this transparent and it will load it out. So when it loads it out, it has removed the background from it. Can you see that the quality is still there? It will, all this app it will just help you remove the background without tampering with the quality of your image. So when you are done over here, just go over to this share button icon up here. Just click on this share button icon. When you click on it over here, just go to save to gallery. Don't mind the background it brings here. When you save to your gallery, it has already removed the background. So just click on this save to gallery, and when you click on save to gallery, you have something like this. So this is how you can remove background from your image without losing the quality. So we are done with today's video tutorial guide. If you find the video helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. So thank you for watching video tutorial guide. See you at the next video. Thank you.